Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back again with another video. I got a little gun accessories unboxing for you today. So let's get into the video. Today, we got a couple things that came in the middle of the day. We got the Magpul front sight, Magpul Pro. It's in black. Finished all steel construction, two sets up in up and down position, 0.43 height, standard air height. Basically, your top of the line Magpul front sight. Next up, I've got a Mbus rear sight, Mbus rear backup sight. Next, we got a Polymer made lightweight front handle brace. So let's open it. Let's start up with this. We're gonna open this up first. I've got a new gun coming. So I'm the type of person I like to be proactive. So I've got all my accessories even before my gun gets here next week. So as you can see, you got the extra pieces there. I've got I've got that Brigade 9mm pistol coming. So you put that, I can put this around that front sight. So when I'm holding it, bam, just like that. I got the grips, and I like it because it's got the extra. It's not just straight, so you got another hole right there, so you can adjust your fingers any way you want to adjust it. Right. So Polymer made, nice and sturdy, adjustable right here. Tighten that thing down, and you got an extra slide right there just in case you jack that one up. So that's the first thing right there. The Mbus rear backup sight. Let's pop this baby open. Yes, sir. Ain't nothing like getting some fresh toys. Yeah, open that baby up. Yeah. Nothing like a great unboxing. There you go. There it is right there. Got that front sight, baby. Y'all already know. Ooh, yeah. Hit that little button right there. That baby flips up. Come right up. This right here, Mbus rear backup sight. Installation instruction inside, easy to set up. You know how to do this. I show it on the gun. Put that baby on there. They got a little. Put that baby on that sight. You hit that button and it pops up just like this. Then you want to, come over here. You zero this baby in. You dial that baby in. Put that baby right on the front. Ooh, clock it in. Zero that baby in. And then you in there. You get through. You just pop the sight down and boom, they come right down. Just like that. Easy peasy. Just like that. And pops right there. So there it is. There's your front sights right there. What's that on there? Got a little area right there on there. Make sure it. Boom. Next up, we got the front sight. That's the back sight. And there's the front sight. This is by Magpul. You know Magpul, the top leader in the game. Oh yeah. Magpul got the instruction manual right there. There's your front sight. Oh yeah. I got two. Yeah, okay. There's your front sights right there. Nice and clean. Put that baby on there, same thing, and you're ready to rock. Front sight, back sight. We got a little instruction manual here. So I got front sight, back sight, forearm grip. So what can this be? Let's see what this is. Take that out. Can you guys guess what this is? V-Life. Convenient for life. Guess what that is? You already know. If I got a front sight, backup sight, foregrip, only thing I'm missing is the scope, baby. Yes, sir. Y'all already know what time it is, boy. You got the scope on that baby and zero that baby in. You got the electronic dot. What they got here? Oh, here's the battery. Here's the battery inside. I got that V-Life scope. Yes, sir. Y'all already know. Ooh, look at that baby. Ooh. V-Life scope. He's got the got the little cover on it. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Cover that up, zero that baby in. Oh, and the best thing I like about this, I don't know whether you guys can see it or not. Once you put the battery in, I could change the reticle. You can change the reticle that you see in there. You can change the different reticle from right there. Yeah. So I got that. So I'm all set. I got all my extra toys here. That's the unboxing. I'm gonna come back with another video showing you guys how I got it all attached in there. On my, as soon as my gun comes in a week. I already put half down on it. The other half, as soon as it comes in, I'm gonna hook all this up and we'll be ready to rock. It's an unboxing of all my gun accessories.
1 week later.
That's right, you guys. My weapon has arrived and I have it. Nice little weapon. And as you know, it is unloaded. No magazine in it. It is unloaded. Nothing's in it. That's right. The Brigade BM 9mm pistol. And I have all the attachments that I just shown you already on it. So let's go through with it. First, I have the handrail. I use my little, it has the two different types of braces on it. That's what I like right here. So you can be versatile and use it in two different ways with different types of braces. So we have the handrail here. As you can see, I attached it like so. So that way I can just hold it just like that. Next up, we have the Magpul Mbus flip up backup sight. Right here. So we got the backup sight there. And as you can see, if I can show you guys real easy, that flips down, hit the button and can flip it right up. Also next we have the Magpul Mbus Pro Steel, the front sight. And as you can see, this doesn't have a button like the other one. This is a manual flip down and a manual push up. So I like that. So that's cool. So we got those two sights on there. And next up, we have the CVLIFE red green dot scope here. V-Life scope that I just showed you guys. Here's the it has a lens cover on it now. So when I take this lens cover off, you can actually see the scope right there. Adjustments here where you can change the different shapes of the optic here. Right here behind here is where you have the battery. So basically when you look through it, if I can kind of get the angle right, you're looking down like this. So right now you don't see anything. Let me I'm gonna have to make it a little dark in here. So let me make it a little dark so you can really see this scope. It's gonna be a little dark, but that's on purpose. So let me do this. Okay, now watch this. Look at the floor. Well, actually not the floor, look through the lens. Let me come through here. I'm gonna rotate this. So now, as you can see, if you can see it, let me make sure. I'm gonna have to turn this. I don't know whether you can. Oh, you know what? I'm so stupid. So now, you can kind of see. I don't think you can really see it, but basically, if you're looking at it, like right now, I have a cross, and I can hit this button. I can change it over, so you can change it over to any one of these symbols on the side here. You can change your red dot, and you can make it red, or you can make it green. You can change the brightness of it. So this is how my completed weapons look on my brigade 9mm pistol with all the attachments I just showed you guys right here on the weapon. And that's how you do it. That's the attachment. So I turned the regular 9mm pistol. It is something heavy duty. And yes, on this pistol, the brace does adjust back here. So thank you guys for watching this video. There's another quick video. I actually did a whole video for you guys this time. I showed you the unboxing of the materials, and I actually installed them on the weapon on the same video. So I hope you guys enjoyed.